What is up, guys and gals? This is Brandon back on Motor Nubs, and today I'm not going to be working on anything. I actually just kind of wanted to make a video to talk to you guys and let you know what's going on inside of our country. I can't even honestly believe this is happening. So let me flip over here to the screen and actually just show you this article. And this is real. This is real, people. So Sacramento County, California says it's illegal to work on your own car in your own garage. Taking right here off the top, this is how they say or get around saying you can't do it. So using tools not normally found in a residence. Well, my residence, I always have, auto mechanic tools. But anyway, so I guess they're saying a normal residence isn't going to have any tools for working on a car. Conducted on vehicles registered to persons not currently residing on the lot or parcel. I can kind of understand that. So I guess that's if you have your car broken down somewhere, you can't work on it there. But then I've done so many cases of oh, my friend's starter went out at the gas station. So, I crawled up underneath there and we put a starter on it at the gas station. But now that's going to get you a fine. That's actually going to get you in trouble with the law, which is the mind-blowing. And then 3, conducted outside a fully enclosed garage, resulting in any vehicle being inoperable for a period in excess of 24 hours. So if you go and do anything to your car and you can't have it fixed and back together in less than a day, apparently they're going to be able to fine you. And just skimming through this article, apparently already somebody was issued a $430 fine for working on his car in his garage, which actually goes against what they're kind of saying, outside a fully enclosed garage. But I guess you can't work on it inside a garage either. It just blows my mind to think in, land of the free that we can't work on our own car ourselves. I don't understand that. The article talks about, some people work on their cars for a hobby. That's me. That's a lot of you guys, that are watching this. You have cars for a hobby. That's something we enjoy doing. And now apparently we can't do that. And I get where they're coming from. Obviously, some areas, it's a nuisance. There's broken down cars everywhere. But I already thought we had pretty decent laws in effect. If cars are sit abandoned, the town or city takes care of it and they go and find the owner or issue fines then. But 24 hours is a bit ridiculous. I know almost everybody out there has been in a case where they've either broke down or been broken down and they can't get it fixed in a day just because they're waiting on parts or waiting on something to come in. And not everybody can afford to always take their car to a shop. And not everybody wants to take their car to a shop, even if they can't afford it, because working on a car yourself, it's satisfying and it saves quite a bit of money. So, dude, California is just off the rails. I love this country, but it seems more and more like California is just becoming its own little, I don't even know what to call it. I don't know. But I couldn't imagine anything like this getting passed or pushed through over in where I live in North Carolina. I hope it never does. I hope that actually this gets pulled back. It's only been in effect for apparently about a week now, maybe a little over a week. I'll put a link for this article down below in the description. But guys, comment down below, what would you do if somebody came up to you, if you were working on your car outside, and issued you a fine? I guess it's police. They roll up and are giving people tickets or fines. I would, dude, blow a gasket, no pun intended. But I can't even believe this is happening right now, honestly. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just had to make a video about this because it's just still, a lot of people don't even realize it's happening. And they're just what? No way, that's not real. It's real. But in other news, the Honda, the Turbo Accord is coming together. I have the wastegate in, so I don't have a fire ring for it, so I got to get a fire ring, and then I'll be slapping that thing on. So hopefully in the next day or two, I can get the wastegate on and get it tuned, and you guys can see what kind of power that can put down. And then from a gracious sponsor, Mr. Al actually has sponsored a set of tires for the Turbo Integra. So I'm going to be doing a video, taking it up, getting some tires installed, and then getting that thing some tags, and hopefully seeing what she'll do. I mean, she's been sitting for a little while, but got to get some boost pumping through here and get her back on the road. So got a lot of stuff coming up. As you can see, I'm in my new house, so I'm still unpacking. This is my little office, but yeah, guys, stay tuned, and we'll be back. So thank you for watching. This is Brandon on Motor Nubs, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.